What's going on, everybody? This is Andrew Gonzalez Jr. back at again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to put ads in YouTube videos for 2018 and through 2019, you guys. So I'm in the App Store. I'm going to show you real quick this app that you're going to need. I recommend it for everybody to use. It's free in the Android and iOS. Once you're in the search results, you're going to want to type this name, YouTube Studio. So as you can see, there's results there. You're just going to want to click anyone and then scroll down, and it's right there, you guys. It's called YouTube Studio. It's a very good app, you guys, that allows you to edit in your channel, to add stuff, configure your analytics, everything that you can possibly have. This is the best tool every YouTuber should have. So I'm just gonna show you real quick just the the reviews on it. It's got good ratings on there, a couple screenshots there as well. All right, you guys, so we're gonna click open. All right, so this is the actual app, YouTube Studio, you guys. So this is the actual app right here. This is my name right there. I got analytics there, my watch time, views, my estimated revenue, my subscriber change. There's some of my videos there, and some subscribers down there as well. So I'm going to show you a quick way, you guys, on how to put these ads in your YouTube videos. So let's just click on a random one. So I'm going to click on how to get subscribers on YouTube from iPhone 2018. This is one of my videos. So as you can see there's a nice thumbnail there. Everything's there, good title, everything's there. So the way to do it, you guys, is once you're in this Studio app, you're gonna want to click that little pencil, you guys. So the pencil is the edit icon, so we're gonna click on edit. Once you're in the edit section, you guys, it's very simple from here. You're gonna want to click the money sign. So the money sign is that middle icon, so we're gonna click on the money sign. Alright, so this is basically the monetization tab, you guys, where you can put ads on this video. So it says right here, monetize with ads. You see the little green icon, it's on right now. That means ads are being displayed. So you got display ads, you also got overlay ads, you got skippable video ads, you got non-skippable video ads, and on the bottom here you got ad breaks, you guys, where you can add more ads, multiple ads into one video if you want to. So the whole idea of it, you guys, is very simple. You would just have to click that icon and switch this little green icon right here. You would just have to switch it on, and YouTube would take care of the rest, you guys. It's that simple, that freaking easy, you guys. So once you configure that monetization icon into green, you scroll down here, you see my money sign, it's green. So once you see that green money sign, that means ads are being displayed on that video. So you are good to go. Everything is Gucci. Let's go. So once you get them all monetized, you guys, it will look something like this. You see a lot of money signs, nothing but videos with money signs on them, and that's how it's gonna look, you guys, on all your videos. So I highly recommend this app. It's called YouTube Studio. It's free for Android and iOS device. And also, if you guys want another way on how to grow more on YouTube, I'll put more links in my description below. More free ways on how to get views on YouTube, how to get subscribers on YouTube, how to get monetized on your YouTube channel. So many ways, you guys. So I'll put all my growth tips and tools in the description below, you guys. As you can see, it's none but dollar signs, and it's all green. So I have more videos like this. I don't have time to scroll through every single one, but feel free to go through all my channel, through all my videos, you guys. I have a lot of freebies and tips and a lot of reviews as well. So this is what it will look like on your smartphone device. Nothing but green signs, nothing but money coming into your bank account. So this is all legit, this is all real. This is my channel, and I approve all this video play, you guys. So without further ado, thank you for stopping by to my channel. If you're new today, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends, and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future content coming up in the near future. So with that being said, y'all take care, and God bless you all.